Hi, welcome to Lala's World. Today's video is how to get Windows 11 Update on Windows 10 for free. Download and install 2021. Be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out when more content is posted. According to Microsoft, the official release date of Windows 11 is going to be around the holiday season of 2021. However, I am going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 now for free. This will be the official version directly from Microsoft and is available with a program called Insider Build. Please note, I would recommend creating a restore point in case you want to undo the changes you're about to make. In order to create a restore point, look to the bottom left in your Windows search bar and type restore. Then click on Create a Restore Point and make sure your protection settings are on. Then click Create and wait for the restore point to be created. Also, I'll make another video showing how to go back to Windows 10 if you decide Windows 11 is not for you. And when that video is ready, I'll put the link down below in the description. Once that's done, you're ready to upgrade to Windows 11. In order to access this, you'll need to sign up for the Insider program, which is super easy. Please keep in mind that this is a beta version, so it may not be as stable. However, you can access it now if you want to give it a try and see if you like it. To see what version of Windows you currently have, go to the Start menu and type About. Click About Your PC and scroll down until you see Windows specifications, and you can see right now I currently have Windows 10 Home. Now, in order to update this, you'll have to sign up for the Insider program. And the benefit of this is you get to try new releases before they come out to the general public. Start by going to the Start menu and typing in Windows Insider. Then look to the top left and click on Windows Insider Program. Wait for the information to populate, and you'll see that you need to turn on the optional diagnostic settings. To do this, click on Go to Diagnostic and Feedback Settings. Click the optional diagnostic data button, then scroll down, click On. Then go back to the Windows Insider page, and you'll now see a button that says Get Started. On this page, you can click Learn More to learn about PC requirements for Windows 11. When you're finished reviewing the information, click on Get Started. Then, you'll choose your Windows account to join the Windows Insider program. Click Continue, link an account, click Register, read the info, and then you can sign up. After you've read all the information, and click Submit. And you're good to go. Go ahead and close out of this and wait for everything to load. Then you'll need to choose Dev channel as your setting. They had two other settings and I've already done it, so mine's already set up, but just make sure you choose Dev channel in order to get the Windows 11 upgrade. Then you'll receive an email saying, Welcome to the Windows Insider program. Wait approximately 24 hours or so, then come back and go to the Windows Insider menu. Look to the left menu and click on Windows Update. Then look to the right and you'll see the Windows 11 download starting. Then it'll install, and once it's done, it'll take a while and your computer will restart a couple of times. But once it's done, you'll see the new background and you can check About PC to confirm that you now have Windows 11. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.